found a nice little granite. Granite was the strongest rock. Praise the Lord for nature. By whatever name. I don't give a hoot. Make it, it taunts it. When you lose weight fast, your skin gets old and it needs a lot more vitamin C. My God. Mine does. Everyone must know their own body, and that's where they've been brainwashed since the 50s to trust doctors. Now, in an emergency, absolutely. In an emergency, they're meant to save your life. But again, those ambulances have no noise ordinance. And I would definitely think that a noise ordinance would be kind of polite for someone who's already scared and being taken to the hospital. Some people, they get off on that kind of attention.